Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup at home. Start by gathering your fresh ingredients, like a variety of vegetables and a good quality broth. Make sure to chop all your vegetables into similar sizes. This ensures they cook evenly and you get a consistent texture in every spoonful. Next, you'll want to sauté your aromatics, such as onions, garlic, and celery, to build a foundational layer of flavor for your delicious homemade soup. After sautéing, deglaze your pot with a splash of wine or extra broth to scrape up any flavorful bits stuck to the bottom. This adds incredible depth. Then, add your main liquid and other ingredients, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Allow it to cook slowly, letting all the flavors meld beautifully. Finally, taste and adjust your seasonings, adding salt, pepper, or other spices until it's just right for your palate. One of the best parts about making soup at home is customizing it. Feel free to add your favorite proteins, like cooked chicken, lentils, or beans, to make it a more substantial meal. Experiment with different herbs and spices, from a pinch of thyme to a dash of curry powder, to create unique flavor profiles. If you prefer a thicker soup, you can stir in a roux or simply puree a portion of the vegetables for a creamy texture. Once your soup is ready, consider garnishing it with fresh herbs, a swirl of cream, or some crunchy croutons for an extra touch. For storing, let your soup cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, making it perfect for meal prep throughout the week. Speaking of meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and enjoy your homemade meals easily. You can also freeze many soups for longer storage, up to 2 to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.